The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that one of the most powerful ways to fight climate change is a behavioral change that must begin at every home. Addressing the World Bank event, making it personal how behavioral change can tackle climate change via video message, Modi emphasized that small deeds can make a huge impact when billions of people do them together. He stressed that climate change cannot be fought from conference tables alone, but has to be fought from the dining tables in every home. In his address, Modi also spoke about India's efforts to address climate change under Mission Life and said it's about democratizing the process.
It cannot be fought from conference tables alone. It has to be fought from the dinner tables in every home. When an idea moves from discussion tables to dinner tables, it becomes a mass movement. Making every family and every individual aware that their choices can help the planet, can provide scale and speed. Mission Life is about democratizing the battle against climate change.